Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear travelers and food lovers planning to visit Brazil tuning in. Understanding local food habits can help you enjoy Brazil's cuisine more comfortably while managing your dietary preferences. Here's something helpful for you: Brazil food guidance with do's and don'ts for Indians from Youthbuddy. Brazil is known for its vibrant food culture, tropical fruits, and diverse culinary traditions. While many local dishes contain meat, Indian travelers can still find suitable options with a little planning and awareness. One of the highlights of Brazilian cuisine is its variety of tropical fruits, including acai, mango, papaya, guava, jackfruit, and cupuaçu. Fresh produce is widely available, but always pay attention to hygiene before consuming food from street vendors. A useful option for many Indians is the popular per kilo restaurant system. These buffet-style restaurants allow you to choose your own meal and pay based on its weight, making them ideal for vegetarians and travelers with specific dietary preferences. Brazil also offers several vegetarian-friendly foods such as pão de queijo, tapioca crepes, plantain dishes, and certain bean-based preparations. However, always verify ingredients before ordering. Learning a few Portuguese food phrases can be extremely helpful while dining. If you have strict dietary requirements, carrying ready-to-eat meals, snacks, spices, or instant food items from India can be very useful, especially during longer stays. There are also some important precautions to remember. Do not assume that a dish labeled vegetarian is completely free from meat, fish, eggs, or animal-based ingredients. Always ask for clarification. Be cautious with unhygienic street food, raw salads, unwashed fruits, and drinks containing ice from unknown sources. Drinking bottled or filtered water is generally the safer option. Indian travelers should also remember that Brazilian food is usually mild in spice levels. Carrying chili flakes, pickles, or spice mixes can help if you prefer stronger flavors. Some traditional dishes such as feijoada, coccinha, soups, and rice preparations may contain hidden meat ingredients or meat-based stock, making ingredient checks especially important. For dining options, cities such as São Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Brasília, and Foz do Iguaçu offer a wider range of international, vegetarian, halal, and Indian food choices compared to smaller towns. Travelers following vegan, halal, or Jain diets should plan ahead. Vegan and halal options are available in selected locations, while Jain food remains very limited throughout the country. With proper planning, a few useful Portuguese phrases, and awareness of ingredients, Indian travelers can comfortably enjoy Brazil's food culture while respecting their dietary preferences. Stay tuned for more food guidance content. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the general section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.